Introduce quick overview and highlight features of Holife HLHM218BEUS, HLHM218BWUS, Hand Cyclonic Suction, Handheld Vacuum Cordless powered with Rechargeable Quick Charge Tech. Lightweight Dry Vacuum. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Powerful cyclonic suction. The turbine motor provides a stable up to 8,000 PA strong cyclonic suction for the hand vacuum to absorb garbage like pet hairs, crumbs etc. A smart choice for both car and home cleaning. Long battery life and quick recharge. Holife cordless handheld vacuum powered by lithium battery, it ensures up to 25 minutes of continuous use. It just takes 3 to 4 hours for fully charged. Wall mount bracket. Our handheld vacuum cordless provides wall mountable bracket mounting screws, hanging it on the wall for charging. You can also choose to recharge on the table. It only weighs 1.92 pounds. Multiple filtering system. Holife portable vacuum featured 3-stage filtration. The replacement HEPA filter can be detached easily and easy to be cleaned with water. Versatility Application. This vacuum includes 2 attachments. Crevice tool for reaching debris in corners. Dusting brush for easily picking up hair/dirt on delicate surfaces and upholstery. Warm tip: it is only suitable for dry using. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.